We've increased our YouTube watch time engagement by 149% since the start of the year. We've increased our subscriber count by almost 15,000 in the last year, which is a 999% increase. And we've seen a flood of comments and likes across all of our videos consistently as a result. So if you want to know how to increase your YouTube engagement, watch until the end of this video because I'm sharing the top 6 tips that have been driving success for us and can drive success for you too. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. And today I'm covering 6 tips to improve your YouTube engagement that you can start implementing right after this video. But first, go ahead and like this video for me and subscribe to the channel for new digital marketing videos every single week. All right, jumping straight in with tip number 1, choose video topics wisely. The first step to getting engagement is to create content around a topic your audience will care about. And this often comes in the form of providing value. So how do you go about choosing topics you know your audience will like? Well, here are a couple of quick ways. Number 1, use historical data of what they have engaged with the most to date, either on your YouTube channel or on other social media platforms if you don't have a great amount of data to look at on YouTube yet. And number 2, use tools like Keyword Tool to research how often certain keywords are being searched specifically on YouTube that are relevant to your business. If you're not choosing topics that your audience actually cares about, it doesn't matter what kind of tips and tricks you pull out to try and boost engagement because the viewers won't care to watch the video to begin with. So choose your video topics wisely and make sure you're providing value to your audience in some way, either in the form of helpful information or entertainment. All right, tip number 2 is to ask for comments in your video, but don't just ask people to comment down below without telling them what to comment on. For example, if you own a clothing store and you make a video on how to style a blazer that you sell 3 different ways, you could say, comment below and let me know how you style your blazer. See how that gives people an idea of exactly what to comment? An even easier option is to ask a yes or no question in your video and say, comment yes if XYZ or comment no if ABC. For example, I'm going to ask you guys right now, comment yes if you currently ask for comments in your YouTube videos and comment working on it if not. The less people have to think about their answer, the more likely they are to comment. But asking for the comment in general is an easy, direct way to increase your YouTube engagement. All right, now tip number 3 goes hand in hand, and it is to reply to every comment you get in a timely manner. You've asked for the comments, your audience has left them, now it's time to respond. And respond back with a question to keep the conversation going even further. Responding promptly will encourage users to comment again in the future because now they know that you actually read and respond to the comments. The more that a viewer converses with you in the comment section, the more trust they are likely to build in your brand overall, thus not only boosting your YouTube engagement, but also moving that person down your marketing funnel and closer to a sale. All right, tip number 4 is to tell your viewers to subscribe, like the video, and turn on their notification bell. This is an easy one, but it does make a difference. Putting a subscribe, like, and notification bell graphic on the screen, like the one that you saw at the beginning of this video, gives viewers a visual and audible reminder to do all of those things. And if they turn on the notification bell for your channel too, it will alert them in the future every time you put out a new video or post. This will help increase your watch times and overall engagement. Now, I've grouped all of these CTAs together into one tip because it's usually easiest to ask for all of them together at the same time, like I did at the beginning of this video. You also want to add these CTAs close to the front of your video because for most YouTubers, after so many minutes, your viewers start to fall off. Most people don't watch your video all the way through, so ask them to subscribe and everything in the beginning when the most people are watching. All right, moving on to tip number 5, utilize community posts. Google says community posts can include polls, GIFs, text, images, and video. Community posts can allow you to keep in touch with your audience outside of video uploads. They always appear on the community tab and may appear in home or the subscriptions feed. In addition to just posting whenever you have a new video, you can also create polls for your audience to participate in. Ask questions that are relevant to your business, yet still fun for people to answer. People love answering questions, and polls are an easy way to get them engaged. Community posts are also just great for keeping your audience engaged in between YouTube videos. If you don't post videos every day, consider using these on the days in between to keep your YouTube engagement high. All right, and moving on to my last tip, set your videos to premiere and engage in real time. Google says YouTube Premieres lets you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together in real time. Create buzz for your premiere by sharing the watch page so viewers can set reminders, chat, and leave comments. So the biggest difference between setting your video to premiere versus not is that Premiere will go ahead and show your video and thumbnail to viewers on a public watch page, but the video just won't be playable yet. The sharing link and URL for the video will remain the same though once the video does go live, so you can promote and share your video in advance. For viewers who have opted into notifications from your channel, YouTube will alert them about 30 minutes before your premiere video starts. At the scheduled time of your premiere, YouTube will start a countdown on your video to give people some time to get there. YouTube will also send another notification to opted-in subscribers to let them know the premiere is starting, and the video will reappear in the subscribers' feeds with the Premiering Now badge. Once your video starts, there is a live chat bar on the side where you can chat with viewers in real time as you all watch the video together. This is such a great engagement opportunity for you and your viewers because sometimes people are more likely to comment or ask questions if they know you are in the chat with them, available to respond immediately. Just make sure if you do use the Premiere feature, you have your thumbnail set up and your description squared away before scheduling it, because like I said, everything will be visible to viewers as soon as you hit schedule when it is set to premiere. Have you guys ever used the Premiere feature before? Let me know in the comments. But otherwise, that's all I have for you today, guys. Don't forget to like this video for me and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.